Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Made x Pharrell Williams x Adidas Hu NMD. But before we get into the box, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button down below because it really does help the channel. So we have two of fashion's biggest icons coming together on one sneaker. Let's get into the box because this is an absolutely crazy shoe. Ooh. Now these, straight out of the box, you can tell they are as clean as anything. We have a nice white Primeknit upper all the way across, and then this comes around to the heel counter where we have dual branding of Pharrell Williams and Made. Made was founded by Nigo, if you don't know, and he is also the founder of BAPE. So he's one of the streetwear OGs, and he's one of Pharrell's best friends as well. So that makes sense for them to collaborate on Pharrell's signature silhouette. So as I said, Primeknit all the way across the upper, so it gives you a nice snug fit as well as breathability. There's a bit of flexibility in it as well. Premium leather hits coming on the heel counter, come with a full boost midsole underfoot is arguably the most comfortable material on the market, and it's been that way since about 2016, ever since the Ultra Boost come out. So, I know a lot of people love the Hu NMD. It first released in 2016 with the yellow colorway, and guess what? That is now reselling for ridiculous prices, like nearly £1,000. And a lot of the friends and family iterations go for even more. So you know this is going to be a hype silhouette as well, especially with Nigo's name to it and this Made branding that comes on the toe cap. Embroidered in a nice bright red, it gives it a nice splash of color, so it breaks up that triple white silhouette. And then we've got the red laces coming all the way across. Also coming with the signature lacing system. A lot of people like customizing how they lace these up. We're talking going around the hill, it's all a bit of a madness for me. I don't know how they do it, but they just weave it in and out of these, I think. And with that, it gives the wearer a nice customized feel, and it makes every pair a little bit different. So these will be available for £220 from Aphrodite store, and because I'm a nice bloke, I will leave a link down in the description. But we're also giving a pair of these away on our Instagram. So if you want a chance to win a pair, all you simply need to do is go onto our IG and you can find out how to get this amazing pair of sneakers. It really is that easy. But if you're looking to cop a pair for retail, as I said, it is a bit tight with the Primeknit across the upper, but this does stretch out. So I would suggest going true to size. And if you're looking to cop to then flip them for a bit of profit, they're selling for retail once again. But with a hype silhouette, guess what? This will probably go up in price the longer you sit on it. I mean, Made's a sick brand, and then Pharrell Williams Hu NMDs, you can't really go wrong with them. So this has been the Made x Pharrell Williams x Adidas Hu NMD, and guess what? As I said, if you want to win a pair, we will leave the link down below. I know I'm going to keep going on about it, but this is a free pair of shoes for £210. That made no sense. This is a £210 pair of shoes for free. So what more could you really ask for? I've been Chris from The Soul Supplier, and if you're a lovely person, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. See ya. Sorry, I can't help it. You know, I've just realised my phone is there. Damn it. Right, let's do that bit again. Yep, put it up with crack. That's where you hide your phone.